Hello guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to publish draft pages in WordPress and make them live on your site. Let's begin. First, go to your WordPress website, click on the login button and sign in with Google to access your dashboard. On the left menu, click on the pages right over here. You'll see all your pages along with their status, including the drafts. Now find your draft page, for example this, and click on Quick Edit over here. Here, we can easily see the status of uh, our page. It's currently in draft. So if you want to publish this, we can easily click on this, click on Publish or select Publish. Then make sure to hit Update over here to make the changes official. And that's it. Your draft page is now live on your WordPress sites and visible to your visitors. I hope you found this video very helpful.